pupunta pala tayo guys sa Funhan Mart dito sa MOA muna kasi may titiran lang ako kasi may mga Pokemon products pala doon na nakalagay. So
inspirasi tanpa batas, you know who I am. Notasi berotasi telepati, stay the best man, you got it, move man.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mir and you're watching Takeoff Philippines. For today, andito tayo sa Manila. So mag-iikot-ikot tayo. It's a Sunday pala guys. So mag-iikot tayo dito sa Manila. Ihatid ko rin yung pasalubong ko kay Gab. Let's go, samahan niyo ako. And pupunta pala tayo guys sa Funhan Mart dito sa MOA muna kasi may titiran lang ako kasi may mga Pokemon products pala doon na nakalagay. So gusto kong makita kung ano yung mga Pokemon na makikita na pwede kong bilhin na items, na merch. So nakikita ko na siya guys, yung Funhan Mart. Ito tayo, mamaya doon. Ayun na guys, andito na tayo, Funhan Mart, Korean convenience store. Pasok tayo. Ganda, laki. Wow.
Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wait to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go.
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Charizard, Dragonite, yan, puro stickers yan. We could also check on their variety of noodles. I think you can eat here. Oh, tama. You can cook and eat here. Ang laki dito. Salamat ate. Thank you po. Funhan Mart. Okay, let's go na to our next destination. Grabe. It's around 9 o'clock. Sobrang tirik na yung araw. Sobrang init. Iba na talaga weather ngayon, guys. So, daan muna tayo sa simbahan. Then after that, we'll go to Robinsons, Manila.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, playing inside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. The corner coffee shop we like to go. Take my walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you.
Ayan, unboxing na. Sama na. Sama na. Yes, ito rin nakuha ako. Galing ko talaga mga pa. Wow, ang ganda. Ah, okay, may pakpak pa siya.
To the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we.
So, hi guys, we are here in Cabalen Plus sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, konti lang tao dito kasi it's a weekday, wala masyadong tao. Siguro dalawa lang kami na customer na lang. Okay, ito yung food, papakita ko sa inyo. Wow. hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So nandito po tayo sa Ayala Malls. Kanina nakita nyo na pumunta kami sa Kabalin. Yun yung late lunch na namin kasi hindi pa kami nag-lunch kanina pa. Then afterwards, pumunta kami sa chapters and pages. Nakita nyo rin yun. So nag-check lang kami ng mga books and mga stuffed toys since yung kapatid ko mahilig mag-ipon ng plushies. So naghahanap-hanap siya ngayon dito. And after that, mag-ikot lang kami saglit. So it's the end of our shift. Kaya nakakagala kami. Pero most likely, tinatapos muna namin yung mga work namin before kami gumala. Since madali lang naman bumiyahe pag weekdays. Pag weekends ang mahirap ngayon, sobrang traffic. Pag weekdays di naman masyado. Yun, later na lang ulit. I'll see you later guys. Saan na tayo? There's time for Park. Sige. Wait, ang video ko lang. Saan?